Jamaica's three-member team to the recent Powerlifting America Classic Nationals in Austin, Texas is back home.
Competitors and those in attendance were left in awe as Jamaica's team of Scott Jennings, Jevon Da Costa and Sammy De Paz impressed in their first competitive event overseas.
Being able to compete on the world stage gives us just experience, listening to commands, getting a feel for how the warm-up room is set up, all of those little details that we wouldn't have otherwise had. That was the perfect opportunity for us because it was low pressure since we weren't actually competing with them.
President of the National Powerlifting Association, Michael Blair, says the team gained great exposure from the event.
All the athletes who scores were more than our NPAJ championship here in Jamaica. All of those will be recognized as national record. Scott Jennings' lift was very, very well. He was well warmed and welcomed by the Americans, and I was very pleased to see a Jamaican showed so much strength and power at that meet. Everybody was happy to see that we, as a small association, is doing so well.
Assistant coach Jeremy Nelson believes the event gave the athletes added experience.
All three lifters did exceptionally well. They were competing with some of the world's best. They handled themselves very well. They got to learn about the timing of the lifts in terms of the flights. They learned how the refs call the different lifts. And it has been a magnificent experience for all three athletes, the coaching staff, as well as the association.
The team is preparing for the 19th annual NAPF North American Regional Powerlifting Championships in Panama City.